Close?
Hold on, I want you guys to come and see it. Check it out, man. Okay, ready? Whoa, hold on. Okay, come on.
Soda and what?
It's baking soda and vinegar.
Yeah, it looks bad. Ours is next to watch people die.
People.
I like how you guys like channeled it into the
Damn it, muy crudo, Argentina, yeah.
Good job, bro. That one was cool.
Good job. You got a net.
Okay, who's next?
Right here. This one.
We'll go with Leslie's and then with her.
Oh, Hannah. That's it.
And Rafa, can you bring the 2 cups?
Back on up. Don't touch this. Damn.
Yeah, that's a pretty tough pour. If you have a thing?
Yes, all of it. No, half of it.
Oh, yeah.
Baking soda first.
Oh. It's gonna fall to the side.
Well, yeah, yeah, it's 2 of them. And so we make it kind of like this island. Yeah.
More? All of it.
Yeah.
Because you're going down the hole. I'm still.
Where does Tiny walk in?
Okay, squeeze it.
Ya sí te has pasado. Let me see what's out. Oh, that should be.
This is already in the soda?
No. The orange stuff is the vinegar.
He won't.
Little by little.
Ah, dusty.
Ew.
It does smell. It does.
What that shoot that.
Yeah.
Damn, it's already leaking. It is?
You like it?
No.
Oh my Lord.
It's okay. We'll come here.
¿Con permiso? Yeah. Leslie had an accident. Looks like he had an accident. Choro and everything. Ours is back. Let's go, Amy. Amy, no, we said.
Hey, Khalil. Is this fine?
You're like, oh, about free drink. Oh, back them up.
I'm gonna fail.
That's why I watched. There got people right there too. I heard.
You want me to talk?
Are you gonna find? I didn't even name it.
It's not gonna be enough.
I have to. Alright, where's your vasito again?
Otro porque ahí se cayó todo.
Yours, no, Mom.
They're gonna die.
Not one?
Where's she? Oh, she's right there.
La niña, le traen.
Corre, bonguish.
Ponla aquí a ver si se.
It's okay.
Squeeze it a little bit so you can have like a little beak.
No.
Échaselo easier to pour.
No, but.
Sí, échaselo todo para
Pobre monito, ya se murió.
Look, I was going crazy.
Ya se goteó.
Kind of funky.
Ah, mira, acá ya hay.
Okay, sigue.
Puedo morir. Right.
I think I'm like,